Here we go. Day 1, plural nouns. Again, we have already talked about plural nouns, but we're going to talk about them even more. I know you're excited. All right, let's talk about singular versus plural nouns. Singular nouns mean there is only one of them. For example, if you just say cat, you're only talking about one cat. If I just say book, I'm only talking about one book. Plural means there's more than one. If I said cats, that means there is more than one cat. If I said books, there is more than one book. We already learned to add just s or es to a noun to make it plural. Now we're going to talk about nouns that have special spelling changes. These are for nouns that end in y. Candy. If a noun ends in a consonant plus a y, like candy, C-A-N-D-Y, it has a special spelling change when you make it plural. You must change the y to an I and then add es. So candy would become candies, C-A-N-D-I-E-S. Look at the word city. It ends in a consonant Y. Remember, consonant is all the letters that aren't vowels. T is a consonant, then there is Y. How I'm going to change this? I am going to drop the Y, change it to an I, and then add ES to make cities. C-I-T-I-E-S. Here are some more examples. Ability. Remember, T is a consonant, and then it ends in Y. So I'm going to drop the Y, make it an I, and add ES. So ability becomes abilities. A-B-I-L-I-T-I-E-S. The Y changes to an I, you add ES. The Y changes to an I, you add ES. Cherry. Is R a consonant? Yep, it's a consonant, so I'm going to drop the Y, change it to an I, and add ES for it to become cherries. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Here's some interactive questions, not time for your flipped classroom homework sheet just yet. The team had many blank about the game. You see worry in parentheses. We are going to make worry plural. It ends in a consonant plus a Y. So I'm going to drop the Y, change it to an I, and add ES. So it becomes worries. W-O-R-R-I-E-S. You're going to try this one a little more independently. The players had a snack of blank before the game. You are going to change berry to be plural. Spell it now out loud. How would I make it plural? Did you say B-E-R-R-I-E-S? Because you dropped the Y, changed it to an I, and add E-S. Did you do that? If you did, great job. The players had a snack of berries before the game. Here are your practice questions. On your flipped classroom homework sheet, write the plural form of each singular noun in parentheses. So number 1 is family. Make that plural. Number 2 is party. Make that plural. Number 3 is country. Number 4 is story. Each of those words you're going to make plural. Remember, drop the Y, add an I, add ES. Change the Y to an I and add ES. I'm going to keep saying it so you remember it. Change the Y to an I